Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time.
In this video, I'm going to show you what is automation and how to do it. So I have already logged into a teacher account. So in the main dashboard, you can able to see the list of classroom that has been assigned for the teachers based on the subjects. And you can able to click on the design classroom here. Inside the classroom here, you can able to see the curriculum module. So you can click on the curriculum module. So here you can able to see the curriculum which has been assigned for this particular classroom for mathematics, and also you can able to see the learning objective here. I'm just going to expand all. So now I'm just going to click on the design learning objective for which I would like to create a learning activity. So for integer addition and subtraction, I'm just going to create an activity here. So once you click on the create activities, in the sense that you will be all that will automatically take you to the task maker. So for 6th grade mathematics, here you can able to see the types. So now we are going to create a activity for automation type, right? So now let us see like what is automation. Automation is the process of executing series of events in order to complete the desired task without or less human validation based on the predetermined set of values and events set for the process. In RankUpturn, any learning activity if scheduled ensures the content delivery, response collections, validation, and generating the report by itself is known as automation here. So under the automation type, we have like live contest, quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, and assignment. So by clicking on any one of the automation type, I can able to show you what kind of response collections we have for automation type. So we have like choose the right answer, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, true or false, yes or no. So these are the questions this all the response collection type which we have for the automation here. So now I'm just going to create an activity for automation. It's kind of quiz for the topic like integer addition and subtraction. I'm going with a response collection like choose the right answer first. So I'm just going with a few options. So here below you can able to choose which one is the right answer. You can able to choose the right answer here. And also for this question, what is the credit score you're going to give? Like it's a 1 mark question or 2 marks question. What is the credit score you're going to give? So I'm just going with 2 credit score for this right answer. And also here you can able to add a negative credit. Like for any wrong answer, if you want to give any negative credit instance, you can able to add that here. Otherwise, you can able to hide the negative credit. And for this automation type for the quiz activity, you can able to add maximum up to 100 questions here. So I'm just going to add one more question. So now we can able to choose which one is the right answer here. So I'm just going to add a few more questions. You can choose like which one is the correct answer. And now I'm just going for another question, which is kind of like true or false, where we need the response collection in true or false. I'm just giving the response question to true or false. So here below you need to choose like whether the statement is right or wrong. It's like true. So for this true or false questions, like you want to change the credit score in the sense, you can able to change it. Otherwise you can able to give like true or wrong. And here in the right hand side you can able to see the questions like how it will be viewed in the student's view screen. So here you can able to click on the previous question and the next questions, so that you can able to see like how it will be viewed in the student's full screen. And also, so if you want to save this activity to your draft also, you can able to save it. Otherwise you can able to create and schedule it. I'm just going with create and schedule. So here you need to mention the date. So I'm just going to create an activity for today, so where I want this to schedule to the students now immediately. So I'm just giving the date alone, and the timing is an optional one. So if you want to mention the particular timing and like between like 2 hours or some particular time the students need to complete the task in a sense, you can mention the timing. Otherwise you don't need to mention the timing here. And here we have an option like publish now, and also you have like publish later option. So if you're going to create an activity for publish now, in the sense the activity which you are creating will be visible to the students immediately. And if you want this activity need to be saved like for later, in the sense you can click on later, and here you need to mention the date on which date you want this particular activity needs to be published. For example, if a teacher want this activity need to be published on a particular date like on December or next January, the teacher want this activity to be published on January 23rd, in the sense the teacher can able to schedule it now itself, and she can able to create and save it in a publish later option. So whether the teacher is available or not, this activity will be shown in the students view screen. So automatically this activity will be published to the students on a particular date which you have mentioned with publish later options. So now I'm just going with publish now. I'm just scheduling. So here you can able to see your activity scheduled successfully. So on successful schedule, the automation ensures the activity listing, classroom response collections, classroom response validation, and generating the performance report automatically at the end of due time or immediately after all the students in the target group have engaged with the activity. So here you can able to see the created activity which is showing here. So below you can able to see the activity which we have created now on November 22nd. It shows right. You can able to see the activity, and also in the feed column you can able to see the activity which we have created now. It's an integer addition and subtraction. It's created on November 22nd. It shows right. So this is how you can click on this and you can able to see this is how the student can able to view this activity. And once the student has completed the task, in the sense here the teacher can able to view the overall classroom statistics, like who has scored the high score, who has scored the low score, what is the average percentage, what is the average time they have taken, what is the fastest time they have taken. So the overall classroom statistics will be shown to the teacher immediately once all the students in this classroom has got responded to this particular activity. This is how the automation works under the institution with RankUpturn.
Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.